We're at Calder Glen Country Park. It's a big, massive park. And we're going to go down this way here. Look how beautiful. This is literally right on our doorstep. It's so cute. Zip lines, big slides. It's just gorgeous. There's Stuart. Stuart, if you come and sit over here, you'll get a bit of shade from the rain. Because over here, we've got big trees. So I thought if we sit under this bit, we won't get so wet. Because it actually just started raining. But we've got the wee barbecue area down there for when it's sunny. Unfortunately, it's not a sunny day today. It's quite cloudy and a little bit rainy, but that's okay. It's still really nice and it's not cold by any means. It's just beautiful. So me and Stuart are under a tree. Stuart's just listening to some music on his phone. Still raining. Not so bad. It's not pouring down. It's just like a little summer shower. Isn't he just so handsome? I love him. But is that not beautiful? It's one of my favourite places to come to when you just need a bit of peace and a bit of zen. And plus it keeps the kids occupied. There's also a zoo as well, but I don't think we'll go to the zoo today because I don't think any of the animals will be actually out because it is raining. So I'm just sitting here and as I said, I'm under my big tree. I'm in a very quiet place where there's not many people around. In fact, there's nobody around, which I quite like because I don't like too many people. I don't mean that I don't like too many people. I like people. I like everybody, but I don't like being surrounded by lots of people. That's what I mean. So I'm in a happy wee corner. It's really lovely next to my tree. It's really quiet, it's really peaceful. The weather, apart from the little bit of rain, it's actually really nice. And it's quite refreshing, so I'm just sitting here. I'm a bit tired, but it's okay. It's really lovely, and yep. So I gave Abby my jacket because, as you can see, it's pouring down. But we've just got here, so nobody actually wants to leave, bless them. But as I said, it's warm, so it's not too bad. But they've realised that the zip line is free. There's Abby's friend Sarah. Whee! Abby's got my jacket on. It's actually scary that she's getting so big because it actually looks like it fits her. But then I am only 5'3", so I'm a little shorty. Let's get some footage of Abby on the zip line, even though it looks absolutely sodden. Oh, poor kids.
Wait, what was the point in that?
Oh, no, she's decided she doesn't want to.
I was scared of the animal.
Oh, it's so wet! Ah!
Can she really not be bothered just like what I'm doing it?
Abby! So we were just walking down the path and we find a secret. Ooh. How crazy.
There's a path over there.
No, hang on, I'm just...
That's not a good sound.
Yeah, don't sit on the branches. I think we could go this way.
Lions and tigers and bears, oh man.
Don't think there's lions and... Oh god, I'm having to step over things. How crazy are these trees? Oh, I found a path. Sure, we're free. We've escaped. Anything over there? Let's...
Quite weird.
I'll not be able to see because I'm too small, but hopefully you... No, sure, don't laugh at me. Oh, cool. Thanks, Stuart. Stuart lifted me up there, that was awesome. That was pretty cool. One of the things that I love about Calder Glen are these gorgeous little wooden statues. How actual cute is that? Oh. Gorgeous. There's some more. A deer in the water. That is absolutely adorable. Here we've got Mr. Squirrel with his nuts. Over here's my favourite one. This is my favourite, Mr. Fox. Quite like Mr. Fox. And this statue over here, do you know, it's really weird because this statue here looks like a real boy. I'm not sure if it's made out of wood. Let me just check. Let me just check if it's made out of wood. Yes, this statue here is very fascinating. The detail is just amazing. What a fantastic statue that one is. This right here is fantastic piece of artwork. Wow, I didn't realise that. Stuart, look what I've just realised that is. I know, but it's a wizard on this side. I didn't even see that. That is fantastic. Look at that. Oh wow, the Scottish thistles. That is amazing. So Stuart convinced me to go on the road sleigh. Oh crap. Oh crap! Oh my god, I'm going to be sick already.
I'm kicking Stuart. Mum,
oh, that's not too bad.
You were saying?
No! Oh my god, I'm going to throw up. Ugh. Oh my god, I'm actually going to spew.
Stuart, higher!
I'm trying.
Right, I'm getting squashed. My head's getting squashed. Ugh.
Alright.
Ugh.
Stuart, stop it.
Right, Stuart, stop. Because I literally will throw
Oh,
up.
please, please.
Ugh.
Stuart, can you stop it?
The one up in the house is fine. Seriously, apologies if you're feeling sick right now, because I definitely feel sick. Ah, right, stop. Oh my god, oh my good Lord in heaven, help me. Right, enough.
God, it's so hard to see on.
Oh my god, Stuart, you're right. I think Stuart just exit. Where is he? Not, he's fine. He's alive. He's alive. Right, enough now. Enough. Oh my god, seriously. I feel so sick. That was the worst idea ever.
You fell off for a minute.
Oh my god, I'm going to throw up.
Tree hug. I know I'm awfully silly, but I do like nature. I love nature, I love peace, I love earth. I'm a hippie really. I'm convinced I'm a secret hippie, gypsy, witchy sort of person. I quite like nature and earth and the universe and spiritualness and all that jazz that comes with that. I like earth, I like what it gives us, it fascinates me. Do you know what I love? I love violent weather and I love natural disasters, obviously not like hurting people, but I like it amazes me how temperamental the earth can be and that people think that we own the earth, and that's completely wrong because actually the earth owns us, and at any single moment the earth can take it all away, which is pretty fascinating to me. I would love to chase tornadoes. I think that would be amazing. I would love to be a tornado chaser. I would love to witness like tidal waves and stuff like that, or like a volcano eruption. I think that would be super cool. The only thing that kind of scares me is earthquakes. I don't think I would like to experience an earthquake. I would absolutely poop myself, I think, if the earth started moving underneath my feet. Because sorry, there's just a group of young boys walking past. But you do feel like the earth under your feet is pretty solid. It's like the one thing you can count on. It's like feet on the ground. So for that to move, I think would be like, whoa, like what are you doing? The earth's get drunk. Go home, earth, you're drunk. Anyways, I'm going to stop blethering now. But yeah, that was today's vlog, a day at the park. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to go for now because actually when I get home I know that I'm going to be really busy because I need to bath the kids and get dinner sorted and all that jazz. So I will just close out from here. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you like being outside and peace and quiet too. And if you don't get the chance to get out, you should get outside more and experience a bit of earth. Sometimes we're all too busy with our head stuck in a phone, which I know is ironic because that's exactly what I'm doing right now. But if we stop for a second and look at the world around us, I think we'll find out it's pretty awesome. Don't forget to hit the wee red subscribe button and comment below and all that jazz that I usually say that I just forgot. Now you know. Bye.